Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You've just cleaned and dried your face. Start now by applying a lightweight moisturizer. Use about a nickel-sized amount and spread it evenly down the neck and over the ears too, so skin barrier feels smooth. Once applied, give it 60 to 90 seconds to absorb. This prevents pilling and helps sunscreen adhere. Make sure to use upward motions. Gentle pressure improves distribution. If you have dry patches, dot moisturizer there first, then blend outward so the surface is even for the next step. Now apply sunscreen. Use about a quarter teaspoon for the face or a half teaspoon if you include neck. Dot the product across forehead, both cheeks, nose, and chin, and then gently spread using upward strokes to avoid tugging. Make sure you cover hairline under chin and around the ears. Thin layers reduce protection. Once done, allow 15 minutes before sun exposure so the filter sets. If you sweat, swim, or toweling off, reapply immediately to maintain the labeled SPF. Finish by checking for white cast or pilling. If you see flakes, lightly rub them away with fingertips rather than piling on more product, which can reduce effectiveness. If sunscreen stings your eyes, rinse with water and try a mineral formula containing zinc oxide or titanium dioxide. Those are less irritating. Make sure makeup goes on with a light pressing motion so you don't move sunscreen. Finally, keep a small SPF powder or spray for midday touch-ups when you're out and about.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.